Hello everybody! Welcome to my channel DIY with Knickknack, where no mess is too big to clean up. I'm so excited to be sharing this DIY with you guys. It's one I did a while back for a baby shower, but I thought the colors were perfect for Valentine's Day as well. So we're going to do a 2-for-1 baby shower / Valentine's Day centerpieces if you plan on doing something fun for Valentine's Day. As you can see, I'm starting with the fun hoops. I'm just taking off this plastic that's around them, this design, because I plan on spray painting these gold. Here's where the Gorilla Glue came in. I used the Gorilla Glue to secure the fun hoops onto the canvas. Here I just cut the corners of this foam using a knife. As you can see, I used hot glue to secure this piece of foam, but once it dried, it was still a little wobbly. So I took the stems from the flowers and I actually stuck them through the foam and around the hula hoop. This ended up providing me with the perfect support I needed. hard for me to do this because this picture is just so cute, but I actually used scissors just to remove the word thankful. And once I did that, I spray painted this entire picture gold and placed it in front. Here is the final look. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this DIY. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, God bless you.